Arts, family, crafts, oh my!
What's up, guys? Today I'm talking kind of low because the kids are still sleeping, and I forgot to pack the Easter basket, so I figured I'd do a recording. These baskets I had custom made from, as you can see, it has their name on it. This one's Kevin's, this one's Ava's. I got from, I think it's personalmall.com, I think I got it from. I had it for about 2 years now. It's still durable. I'll pick them. These right here come out. You untie, you can take them out and wash them if you have to. You can put them in another basket if you want to. But like I said, I like these. All right, so what I have is I have these bright brushes they've been bugging me about for weeks. So it's a Baby Shark one. This one is some fun game toothbrush. They claim that if you get it, they're going to be brushing their teeth more often. Guess we'll see. All right, so I have chocolate bunnies. I have Hershey eggs. I got more eggs. I got mixed plastic eggs, Sour Patch Kids. I love Sour Patches. Rotten Herds. I know this is gonna get all over the place. Little things they can play with. The biggest thing that always gets lost in this house: chapstick. I feel like they eat these things, but all right. So this is from last year. So that's the good thing about this. After they finish, unboxing it, unpackaging it, you could actually leave this in there for next year. Instead of buying the store made baskets, you just you buy this custom and you can just make it yourself. You just buy the covers. These are bags that go over it. So I have this is the type I used last year, or you can get little fancy ones. Like the ones that you get from the store baskets, which are these. If you buy this one's like $1.99. It has 2 bags in it. They each have 2 bags. All right, so first thing is the toy. Let's say you buy a toy. Actually, first thing would be this. You put this in. Alright, so now I have 2 different types. I have this and yellow, so I think I'm going to mix yellow one this year with it, sort of change it up. Let me cut this out. This open. It says that works. Brand new. This scissor can't even cut. Alright, I'm going to take some of this. Mix it in with the pink. So I'm gonna make sure like a pinkish yellow. So to change it up a little. Usually on Easter I do hide eggs. I don't know if I'm gonna do them this year due to the coronavirus going around and all the running around I've been doing. Alright, so that's how you package it. First thing you want to do is you want to put whatever toy you buy. It could be anything. If you go to any store, you just find a nice small toy, that basket toy that you could fit in. They happen in one of these bright brushes. So that's the toy you want to put in the, or the thing that you want to put in the middle of your basket, like that. That's the center of what they want. All right. So the next thing I'm gonna do is these chocolate eggs. These chocolate eggs. I'm gonna just sit inside the basket. Now, note, when you do something like this, make sure when you get ready to unpackage it, to put it away for next year, that you make sure you don't have any leftover chocolate in the basket. Alright, so now I'm gonna add, if I get it open, that's that one. Alright, so you sort of kind of want to bury these in. Now, all of this might not fit in the basket, which I think it is. Last year I bought too much candy. You can never have enough. If it don't fit in the basket, then you can always eat it. Alright, so that's basically the egg portion of it. You look for. Alright. Something to wake me up in the morning. Alright, so now that you got that, now you want to start putting the little knickknacks around it. So, put that egg right there. Put that egg right here, like that. It's sort of gonna hold the prize or whatever toy that they like. You see, I got these little bunny lollipops. They look funny. Alright, so I'm gonna put that right here in the front. And you know, you just want to be decorative with it. And just making sure that I put the stuff in the right one. Make sure Ava has the pink stuff. Alright, lip smackers or chapstick. Put it right here on the side. Like that. Like that. And you have these jelly beans. Yeah, Sour Patch jelly beans. So I'm gonna just sit that right here. Then I have the Nerds rope. Just sit it like that. And like this. More eggs. Same one. And you have whatever this is. And it disappears somewhere in the house. That will sit here. And then, of course, you have your chocolate, which I'm going to put around. So I'm going to look around it. And that's basically it. That was pretty fast. Alright. So this is how it looks. Like that. I want to cover it. I'm probably gonna have this sticking up like that. I'm gonna have this probably sticking up like that. Yeah, because what I was doing anyway was I was buying this, and if you don't want to get a custom basket like this, you can always get a cheap basket from the store for like $5.99 or $10, let's just say. And no matter what's in it, and just buy extra candy, buy candy that they like. Because normally, look at the basket, it's like these kids ate. Look at this candy. What kind of candy is this? You just buy any basket, no matter what price it is. Buy the stuff that you want to put in the basket, whether you want to get a toy, a small little toy. Like I said, they wanted to use brushes. And all you gotta do is just put the stuff that they want inside. Maybe another video, maybe I'll do that. I'll just buy a basket and I'll just show you. Just take the stuff out that you don't want, or you can just add stuff to it. You can leave the candy that you know they're not gonna want in there, just put more stuff into it. Alright, so now I'm gonna check out these basket bags, see if they fit. Instead of using these, this one is just this was just a film that you would put over like roses and flowers and baskets. This one is the actual bags. So let me see if this works. See if it fits the basket. We shall see. There's like a little flap that you open. Guessing that. Alright, so let's sort of cut this open. There you go. I got an old scissor and it cuts better than this scissor. Alright, so this is sort of like a yellowish. Is this like a plastic bag? Oh, it is. Alright, so this is like a plastic bag. Alright. Let's open the other one. This one is probably gonna rip open. I'm gonna attempt to use the scissor. Alright. I think this one I'll probably use for Ava basket, and the carrot one I'll use for Kevin's basket. Alright. So let's see, I gotta stand up. Alright, so let's see if it fits. This brand. Alright. Pick it up. I sort of like it because I sort of love these baskets because they put their name on it. So this one says Kevin right here. This one says Ava. You could actually customize whatever color you want, and they have different color. The ears different types. Yeah, so here we go. Fits perfect. And then like these, I'll save for next year. Maybe I'll change up the colors inside the basket, make it look different. I'll take this. Put this and this one. Like that. Alright, now I want to leave these arms up because that's what's going to help hold the bag up. Like that. See that? Fix these ears a little bit. Make that look nice. Alright. Then we're going to tie it. We got gift ribbon. Take a little. Wrapping. Here out. And then again, we just tie it. Just like that. And there you have it. For this one. you have it. You have your custom Easter basket. Like I said, I sort of like these better because they're not that great big basket, and 9 times out of 10 you don't keep them. So at least with these if you get them custom made, you can just store them away, and then next year you just pop them out. These bags are reusable, so like I said, I was using these last year. So you just take these bags, fold them up, and put them away for next year. And then, like I said, all you gotta do is buy these, buy the stuff to go inside, buy whatever toy they want, put it in the basket, and that's it, done deal. Easy, simple as easy. It is gotta be 7 o'clock in the morning. I fell asleep. I was supposed to do this last night. I fell asleep. And it only took less than a half an hour to do, so now you know next time. Thanks for watching again. Like I said, subscribe to our channel, and we're gonna do another video where they're gonna walk and see their Easter basket in the morning. Thanks for watching again. Peace.